Welcome back to the channel. It's looking good. NIO is blasting off exactly as predicted. It's all moving cyclical. EV is coming back with a vengeance. Fisker, Whisker, Gouda, they're all coming back. Lucid Motors coming back. Our mining companies, lithium companies, they're all bouncing back. EV is on another boom. Everyone's making so much money. It's fantastic. I'm very close to just folding up, hitting the unsubscribe on my own channel, moving down to the Bahamas and drinking strawberry daiquiris every single day, looking at the ocean, riding the waves, enjoying the sun, because that's what I like. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There's still a lot of work to go. NIO pushing up right now. It's up 5.5%, up to 39.72. Let's bounce over to my Discord here. Right here, I opened my position on October 7th, about 10 days ago, at 35.48, looking good. Price target, we'll add more throughout the month. $40 price target in the next 45 days. Guess what? We're hitting it in 10. Looking so good. Oh my goodness. 39.71, we're pennies away. I'm excited. Where do I even buy NIOs? I need to buy one of these. And Tesla juicing up. LAC is juicing up. Lithium Americas. This is another big one that I mentioned, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago. Listen, I don't send out these alerts very often in my Discord. I don't talk about a different stock every single day. There's a select few amount of stocks that I focus on, and this is the best way to capitalize the most gains. You're going to have a long attention span. You're not going to have a goldfish brain. No, we're not short-term traders here. We're looking for major winners. So if you like jumping in and out and being stressed out, pulling your hair out, bouncing all around, that's okay. That's a strategy. But I don't like that one. I don't favor it. Doing this for as long as I have, I prefer to bounce around with 10 stocks I like and 10 cryptos I like. Bounce around there because I will understand and know their patterns. I'll know what they're going to do next because I've seen it so many times. If I'm watching 100 stocks and 100 cryptos, it's too hard to keep up with what the movement's going to be. So that's what I do. I also use a lot of technicals on these charts, but let's look at NIO right now and see where this is going to go, because my last video I talked about this. So let's look at the chart right now for NIO and see what's next for these butt nuts, okay? Because people are saying a lot of money's not going to be invested in China in America. Americans aren't going to do it. You're wrong. Money's pouring in. What's the volume today? 28 million is the volume. We're at noon. And average volume is 33 million. We're probably going to end slightly above that or maybe even. So volume is still steady. It's still around average, and we're pushing up 5.5%. SPY is just incredible. The markets are incredible. Everything is fantastic. If the markets are going down and you're like, is this a crash? Is this a crash? The news got you. The news, their job is to scare you and put fear into you. My last video, I talked about that. Watch it if you want. Fear, 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 fear. That's the only way they can get you to sell so the whales make more money. Don't listen. As you can see with my chart here, green arrow. I think we're in another bull run right now. It's obviously being confirmed. At the moment, we're running up. I haven't moved this green arrow. This is still where it originally was when I bought in down here at 35 right before the boom. We are going to get a little correction, but let me zoom in and show you what I think is going to happen over the next maybe 10 days. So right now we are pushing up over here to close. What I'm seeing over here is a nice little gap in this area. Now, we already closed it over here, but I think we're going to push up to that point again. So I'm going to draw my line right here. So 40, 60, 40, 50, somewhere around there, I think is going to be a point of resistance, and where NIO finally cools down. We're also peaked out on RSI, so it could happen sooner. Volume is pretty much steady. So we could push up, touch here, cool down, come down to this newly formed trend line that is building right here. Come down to here, and then run up. And listen, if you're afraid of the movement, if you're afraid of losing your gains, then the best move is to obviously collect profits. Collect profits, that's the name of the game. If you're confident about NIO, good, because NIO looks great. And NIO's looking super sauce. So this is what I expected to do over the next week or two. Push up, finally test 40. It might happen sooner because my predictions are off. Things are happening sooner than I anticipate, which is a good thing. I don't mind it. So overall, when that pushes through, it's going to then blast through 40, follow, oh, what is that? And then it's going to blast through 40, follow my green arrow, touch 47. That is my ultimate price target. It could continue to blast, but I don't care. Okay, I'm looking to make money and possibly move to the Bahamas soon myself. So 47 is my price target. I might even get out a little bit sooner, maybe 46, 45. The gains are hitting and the gains feel good. Listen, we know that it's only a matter of time until EV boosted off again. And this is what's happening right now. Everything EV related is booming. I've been calling this for many months. I said the EV boom is coming once again. I was able to ride it last time. And during the cool down, I ain't touching it. I'll wait until things are certain. And it's looking pretty certain right now because it's at this level. It went all the way up and then it came down and it's just holding at this level. That's where whales want to load up for the next run even higher. So that's what's happening right now. And all the retail traders, all the goldfish brains are like, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? You know what you do? You research the company and gain confidence. Watch this channel. So let's look at the news for NIO right here. NIO ES8 lags behind other EVs. Is NIO stock a buy or sell? Is it time to dump NIO? When you see these articles, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Oh, wait. You know what comes to mind? Fear! I keep telling you this. It's like a lesson that you're not listening to the teacher. What are you doing? This is all fear. It's irrelevant. It's nothing. EV is the biggest competitor to Tesla. Tesla is going to keep going. It's going to hit 1,000 in a couple months. It's a beast. Look at this. Look at Tesla. It's Empire State Building. It just goes up. It's Tesla. It's incredible. Like I said, what I'm doing is I'm rocking out with NIO until those price targets. I do expect a correction because RSI is steaming hot. That hot potato needs to be put down and cooled down before it could go higher. And feed someone at the top. Looking at the options today for NIO, up 188%, 200%, no big deal. So that's my analysis on NIO. It's all looking gravy. Check out my inflation video because inflation's hitting hard. It's a little deep dive I did outside of the office. I think I'm going to do an inflation 2.0, a part 2. So hit the like if you want to see that. But that's it for today's video for NIO. If you do want to jump in the Discord and see when I send out these alerts for NIO, when I add, sell, or get out, whatever, and other stocks and crypto coins, click the link in the description for Retire Young Pro. It includes my portfolio, my stock alerts. You could chat with me in the Discord, everything that's related to investing. That's it. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget by hitting that button. It's going to get you a little bit closer to retiring young.